People who born between 1901 to 1927 are called
Greatest generation.
from 1928 to 1945,
Silent generation.
from 1946 to 1964,
Baby boomer.
from 1965 to 1980,
Generation X.
from 1981 to 1996,
Millennials.
from 1997 to 2012,
Generation Z.
from 2013 to 2024.
Generation Alpha.
Tell someone to be patient, wait, or just slow down.
Hold your horses.
Horses, honey.
What? Oh, hold your horses! I'm coming!
Just hold your horses.
When a person you were talking about appears unexpectedly,
Speak of the devil.
speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
Oh, speak of the devil.
Contact your workplace to say you can't come to work cause you are sick.
Call in sick.
Call in sick.
Okay, I'll call it sick.
I called in sick.
Called who? You're the boss.
Refuse an offer or invitation politely.
Can I take a rain check?
I'm gonna take a rain check. Or can we take a rain check?
I'll take a rain check.
Move to the side, especially to make space for sitting.
Scoot over.
Hey, scoot over.
Scoot over.
Scoot over.
Yes, scoot over.
Could you scoot over? You're on my dress. Scoot over a little bit.
Hey, scoot over.
Thinking that you are very important in a way that annoys other people.
You are full of yourself.
You are so full of yourself. You are so full of yourself. You are so full of yourself.
You keep moving around in bed because you are unable to sleep.
Tossing and turning.
Kept tossing and turning in my canopy.
I just toss and turn.
I tossed and turned all night.
He was tossing and turning all
Food or drink, packed or wrapped, so that you can take it with you.
Coffee to go.
to go, please.
Tom, you want some coffee to go?
Hey, just 2 coffees to
Walk around a shop looking at several things without intending to buy any of them.
To browse something.
I'm just kind of browsing.
I'm just browsing.
Yeah, thanks. I'm just browsing today.
Looking for something specific or just browsing?
I'm not really shopping, I'm just kind of browsing.
Just browsing.
Well, thanks. I'm just browsing. I'm just browsing.
Encourage someone not to give up and to remain cheerful despite difficult situation.
Keep your chin up.
Anyway, keep your chin up.
Keep your chin up, kid.
Just keep your chin up.
Well, you keep your chin up and your music down, okay?
You keep your chin up. We'll do our best.
To leave a place or to begin to travel on a road.
Hit the road.
Just gonna hit the road. All right, let's hit the road. Okay, we gotta hit the road.
You ready to hit the road?
Anybody ready to hit the road?
I'm hitting the road.
Okay. Let's hit the road.